Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add collaborators on Spotify playlist, step by step. Let's get started. On your phone, begin by opening the Spotify app. Look for the familiar green Spotify icon on your home screen or inside your apps list and tap it once. The app will open to your last screen, which might be Home, Search, or your library, and that is completely fine. You just need Spotify open before you continue. Once Spotify is open, tap on your library at the bottom of the screen. This is usually on the right side of the bottom menu, and it takes you to all your playlists and saved content. After you tap it, the view changes to show tabs like Playlists and Artists, and you should see the playlist you created somewhere in this list. Now, from your library, select the playlist you created that you want to share. Tap directly on the playlist name or cover image to open it. The playlist screen will appear, showing the cover image at the top, the title, and the list of songs below, so you know you are working on the right playlist. With the playlist open, look near the top for the small person icon or add user icon next to the playlist name. On some phones, you might not see the icon right away, so tap the three dots near the playlist header and then choose Invite Collaborators from that menu. When you tap this option, Spotify switches to a sharing panel, which means the playlist is now ready to be shared for collaboration, but it is not sent to anyone yet. From there, choose how you want to share the invite. You can tap Copy Link to put a special collaboration link into your clipboard, or you can tap one of the app icons such as Messages or WhatsApp to send it directly. If you choose Copy Link, remember that you will need to paste that link yourself into a message or email since Spotify will not send it automatically. Next, send the invitation link to your friend using the method you chose. If you copied the link, open your chat or email app, tap into the message box, and paste the link, then send it. As soon as they receive that message, they have everything they need to join the playlist and start working with you on it. After that, when your friend opens the invitation link, Spotify will open and show your playlist with a note that they can collaborate. Once they accept, they will be able to add new songs, remove songs, and change the order of the tracks, and those changes update for you in real time without any extra approval from you. If you ever change your mind later, removing them as a collaborator uses the same invite controls in the playlist header. 10 Web, now let us switch to a computer and look at the desktop app. On your PC, open the Spotify app by clicking its green circle icon on your desktop or taskbar. When the app opens, you will see the main Spotify window with a sidebar on the left and your playlists listed near the bottom of that sidebar. With Spotify open, click on the playlist you created in the left sidebar. This is the same playlist you want to share with collaborators, so make sure the name matches what you expect. After you click it, the main area on the right will change to show the playlist cover, the title, and the list of songs, which confirms you are editing the correct one. At this point, look near the top of the playlist window for a small person or add user icon. If you do not see that icon, click the three dots for the playlist menu instead, and a small menu will appear. In either case, find and click the option that says Invite Collaborators, which tells Spotify you want to share control of this playlist. With that ready, Spotify now creates a shareable link for your playlist. Click the option to copy the invitation link, which places it on your clipboard so you can paste it elsewhere. After you copy, nothing obvious may pop up, but the link is stored and ready to be pasted, and you do not need to press any extra save button. Finally, send the link to your friends using your usual method, such as email or a chat app. Open your messaging tool, click into the message field, paste the link, and send it to them. As soon as they open that link in Spotify, they can collaborate by adding, removing, and reordering songs, and you will see their changes on your playlist. One last detail to know, you can only invite collaborators to playlists that you created yourself, not ones made by Spotify or other people. You have now shared your own Spotify playlist on phone and computer so others can collaborate with you. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.